Listen to the sound of your own name. A spirit brought you to this earthly plane. Follow, follow until you reach the source. Upon your ever faithful winged horse. Remember that you are a gift of God, dreamt, created, welcomed, kissed and loved. Remember that you are a being of light, shining in the quietly humming night. Nothing in this world is as it seems. We awake to find we live inside your dreams. Humans, forests, planets and beyond. The lightly dancing thread of your sweet song. In our mortal maze, we stand alone, forgetting for a moment our way home. But we are the earth, the moon, the stars, the sun. We are many, we are special, we are one, we are one, we are one, we are one. We are one. Air and water, metal, earth and fire. Beyond the astral realms and even higher. Angels of the valleys, towers and oceans. Cherubic and seraphic devotion. Every living atom is connected, even that which has not been detected. Every candle lit reveals creation. Each awareness helps to bring illumination. My darling child, I see your essence. I see your aura green and golden as the honey of the heavens. Every story must be told. Oh, my darling one, I am beside you. Every hour, every day. Tender is this beating heart to guide you. I will always light your way. One is love, and love is one vibration. Kitty, One is joy, and joy begets creation. 100 million fires inside the sun. One is who we are, and we are one. 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 We are one.